Hey guys, back with another video. Right now I'm printing this two color cat, two color multicolor, yeah, but only two color cat because it's been quite some time I never run my VisiBoard Linux here, so I just feel like giving it a print because when I see members printing things, I'm kind of envy of that, so I decided to print one myself. And the reason why I use only two colors is because the other three tool heads are here on the Linux link, and we'll talk about that in a while. So right now it only has two tool head, and as you can see that the umbilical I have put them out this way. So I guess I'm going to be also making some changes for the umbilicals, whereby I will have a connector down here so that I can plug the umbilical out from here, so that I don't have to make the umbilical this way, since there's no tool on the docks. So I'm going to make a connector down here. I think I saw a connector. I will show it up on the screen now, this connector. So I'm going to use this connector. I think Staff Changer used that as well, if I recall correctly. I might be wrong, but I might be using this connector. Or if you have any suggestion to make a connector, umbilical connector down here, so that I can easily pull it off, I will gladly make one here. So that will be my next update as well. And looks like for the diffuser mod for this toolhead, if you print the toolhead in white, it doesn't work so well because the light goes through the entire printer instead of just the diffuser, the entire toolhead instead of the diffuser. So it's not very nice, as you can see here. It's supposed to just show up the design in front, but it's illuminating the whole toolhead instead. So white is not the way to go with this toolhead. Once I think by the end of the month I have some things to purchase, not at the moment, but maybe at the end of the month I will make the necessary purchase for the, like I said, the umbilical connector, and then the black PLA, black ABS as well, so that I can redo back all the tool heads. But it's okay, it's just a trial so that I can know what goes wrong. And also for this Tetra Mod, let me show you what is Tetra Mod. So it's the 4 dome nuts here. Instead of 3, we use 4 dome nuts. So for this Tetra Mod, I don't know whether it coincidentally is because of the 4 dome nuts, or is it because I have changed my X rail to a new one. But I'm getting a very good input shaper for that. I will post the picture now on the screen. As you can see, I'm getting 14K input shaper. Although if you see the graph, there's a double hump down there. I mean, I'm not so much about reading this graph. I don't know much about that, but I just follow whatever is the recommended shaper, and it's showing 14,000 acceleration, which is quite remarkable compared to my previous. I think it's about 7K or 8K acceleration, 7K I think. So it's twice the speed increase. I don't know, coincidentally it's because of the X-rail that I changed, or because of the Tetra Mod. And for this Linux link, it's not that I don't want to continue. I still want to settle this up, but there's a few things that I need to do. Like you see here, all are ready for the umbilical, but sadly I don't have enough wires, so I have to wait end of the month to get new wires. And also I've just the PSU have come, the new PSU have come, and even the clicky probe has been installed here, as you can see. But I have to buy new wires to get this up and running, so I can only do that by the end of the month. But it's okay, it will be ready once everything is fixed up, and I guess shouldn't have any problem. And I will be reprinting these docks, just the docks, so that I can place them here, so in case that if I need to use the tool, I can just take it up and put the docks here. Right now I have to remove the tool with the dock as well. It's my mistake as well. I should have just printed a new docks. Now you see all the docks are here as well. So I should have printed another 3 docks to leave it here, so that I can just remove this tool, put them down here, plug in the umbilical, and I can use 5 tools already. So that will be something to keep in mind next. And basically, yes, so this is the print that is printing right now. As you can see, the black filament as well, as usual, you know, my black filament, this is a very old PLA batch that I have, and the only thing that you can see is the stringing, but other than that, the quality is very good for this. Let me show you. So everything looks very good, and as well as it's printed with zero prime tower. As you can see, there's no prime tower. So as usual, at the end of the video, I mean after the end of the print, I will continue this video, and we shall see the quality together. This is a fully tuned. I have fully tuned the extruder and the hot end, so that everything, the calibration, all I have done. So this is with, I think I feel it's like the oozing there's no ooze. I don't know what might happen or what did I change. I can't remember, but I did the proper calibration, everything, and the oozing is very good, and even the nozzle blocker here is working very good, as you can see. So it's blocking the nozzle very well down here. Or is it maybe because of my docks is now at the front, so it's easier for me to see, or I'm not very sure what I did, but the nozzle seems to be very good working. And for the stringing, is due to the, like I said, is due to the filament that is not dry. It's a very old filament. I don't have a filament dryer. I just wish that somebody can send me a filament dryer, you know, Blue Rolls or Sovo or anyone, or Creality, you know. But so far no luck yet, no reply from them, you know. But it's okay, no problem. I think if I have the money, I will buy a filament dryer myself, or I can just DIY a filament dryer. And yeah, that's it for this video. We'll continue later once the print has finished. And as you can see, the dock slide is working reliably, no problem at all. I'm still using dock slide, and it serves its purpose very well. This 2-color cat is printed right now. I'm printing it at 200% scale, and it's stated as 11 hours. Also, I post it up on the screen right now. 11 hours with, I think, 500 plus tool chains. I can't remember. I just post it up down here at the top of the screen so that you can see. I think it's about halfway. It's supposed to end, I think, 10 PM at night. So I let this print, and we'll continue the video once it has going to finish, and we'll continue the video. Yeah, alright, so see you guys at the end of the print. Yeah, continue again this video. Okay guys, so after, let me check. After 8 hours, not 8 hours, after 11 hours, it has finally finished printing. So we're gonna check how is the quality. As you can see here, there's no prime tower, no push, no prime tower, but of course it's only 2 tool head, but the oozing has been very well managed. So let's check. Now we're gonna check the quality of this. And as you can see, it is very good now. Quality is extremely well, apart from just one little stringing down here, but other than that, it's very good. I'm really satisfied with how everything has turned out now after really proper fine tuning. So there you have it. This is 200% of this STL, printed at 200%, and the height is about 110 the height. So as you can see here, everything. And yeah, once again, thank you for watching this video, and thanks for all the subscribers who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Keeps on growing, and it helps me to grow the YouTube channel as well. And also do join us on Discord, and hopefully we get to print another model while waiting for my Linux links to be up and running. Oh yeah, and by the way, what I'm using to do for offset calibration now is this. If you take a look here, let me show you. I'm actually using this. This is the chip. If you take a look here, this is the chip micro USB I got the other day to test out. So I've cut the USB camera. Hold on, yeah. I dropped something. This is the USB camera. You know those cheap USB camera, it costs about 10 bucks. I managed to get it, and I have dismantled the camera. I dismantled the camera. I Dremel off some portion of the camera, and then I print the base for it, so with magnets here, so that it can stick on the bed. And I'm using that to calibrate the X and Y nozzle offset, which is much more precise because it's measuring directly from the nozzle. The nozzle outlet instead of the diameter. If you are using notch to get the probe offset, it only measures the outer nozzle diameter, but by using this, it's actually much more precise. And yeah, it's just a cheap USB camera for 10 Singapore dollars, which is about, I think, $8.50 USD. So it's quite cheap, and it works really well. But of course, this only measures in X and Y offset. It doesn't measure the Z, so I still use the notch for the Z. I might have to make a physical Z end stop like the sex bowl or something, just to get the Z offset. But of course, if you have the notch, you can use the notch as well. To me, this is just much more precise. Yep, that's it. Okay, so that's all that I want to talk about. To show today. Once I get my these connectors all ready, then it can be fixed on the Linux link. This is the buck converter, and yeah, this is the quality. I'm pretty happy with the quality. I will share the photos in the Discord channel, and you can have a look. It's very clean. I don't have to do any cleanup this time. Everything is perfect. There's no oozing, no material leaking. There's no under extrusion anywhere. Take a look here. There's no under extrusion anywhere. Everything is printed perfectly without any missing. Even the alignment all are more precise. The layering all are much more good, much more better, you know. And you see the bed itself is very clean. There's no little bits dripping out, so everything is working perfectly as shown. Right, so do join us on Discord and give this channel a sub. If you haven't sub, give this a like. It really helps the channel. Hopefully I can grow the channel and help others as well to make Linux Toolchanger for them to use. Right, see you guys.